All right, again, this is review 5-1 for Algebra 2, the beginning part of Chapter 6. So 18 through, 19 and 1. Wow, we had a massive, basically, for these three problems. Okay? For those three problems, we're going to do the transformations. I guess I need to go back and check my numbers for next time. Oh, well. What we're going to do is we're just going to state the transformations. These should be gimmies for y'all. All right, they really should. We've been doing transformations all year. Remember, inside is x and backwards. So inside is horizontal and backwards. Outside is y, or vertical, and normal. All right? And so let's just start off the transformations. So if I have a negative out front, that's a reflection. Cross. Now it affects the y, so it's going to go across the x-axis. Because if you change a y, you're going to cross the x. Okay, there's that one. There's this 1/2 out here. We are dividing by 2. It's outside, so it's y. So it is a vertical shrink, because when you divide by 2, you get smaller. By 2. And if you say by 2 or by 1/2, I don't really care. I know what you mean. And the last but not least, technically 2 would probably be the correct answer. But anyways, last but not least, that -5 on the outside. That's a shift. When you're adding or subtracting, that's a shift. It's outside, so it's y values. So we're going down, and it is 8 o'clock in the wide world of MacArthur High School. So shift down 5. That would be 8 for all three of those. Right. If you haven't paused to try number 19, number 1, yeah, go for it. Number 19, we've got 3 things going on as well. Understand, first of all, that cube root does not matter. That's simply what makes it a radical. All right, so that doesn't necessarily, we're not worried about the transformations on that. So we're going to have 2 out front. We're multiplying, so that is vertical because it's outside. And we're going to do what it says because it's outside. Vertical stretch by 2. Okay? And then we got 2 shifts. I got a shift inside and a shift outside. Whenever you're adding or subtracting, you're shifting. So the 5 on the inside, we are going to shift left 5. Because remember, everything inside is x, so it's either left or right, and it's backwards. So instead of going positive 5, the effect on the graph is as if you went negative 5. And then the 4. We're going to shift down 4 because it's outside and normal. All right, last but not least, here we go. Again, the 4 in your little radical does not matter. That's simply what makes it a radical. So we're not going to worry about that. Now this one has 4. Okay, you've got the 6, you've got the 1/4, you've got the 2, and the negative. Remember, the 2 and the negative do 2 different things. Okay, so we'll start with the negative. Negative on the outside, that reflection across the x-axis. Okay, we're multiplying by 2. We're multiplying by 2 on the outside, so that's vertical is the outside. We're multiplying by 2, so we're stretching by 2. The 1/4, okay, if you multiply by 4, that's dividing by 4, right? So it's inside, so it's horizontal. And remember, everything inside is backwards, so the effect it has is not by dividing by 4, is by multiplying by 4. So this is really a stretch by 4 units. And the last but not least, the 6 on the outside. If you're adding or subtracting, that is always a shift. It's outside, it's either up or down. So we're going up 6. And there you go.